Welcome to Music 457, Music for Older Adults. And I'm excited to take you on a musical journey down memory lane. I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself. I come from a musical family. My name is Karen Martin, and I discovered recently, through my interest in genealogy, that my grandfather, who came from Austria, he was actually my great-grandfather, emigrated to Pennsylvania and was a concert violinist. He also performed in Argentina. Maybe that's why my parents got me started learning violin when I was 7 years old. And another fun fact is that I grew up in Culver City, California, where the studio orchestras were playing for the movies and for the TV shows, and my violin teacher played in The Man from U.N.C.L.E. Also in elementary school, I learned the auto harp, and I was so excited that I decided to save my own money when I was 10 years old and buy my own auto harp. Then I graduated later to clarinet, and later I played oboe in high school. And finally, I taught myself guitar in college, and that's what we're going to use for this class for the most part. You may also notice that I like to dress up, and I am dressed up in my Austrian costume. I remember seeing The Sound of Music at its premiere when I was young, and that really influenced me to love music. So one of my bucket lists is to actually go to Salzburg, take the Sound of Music tour, maybe meet some of my relatives. So guess what? For our class this semester, you're going to participate in a Sound of Music sing-along. So I hope you love it as much as I do. Well, a few more things about me is that I've been teaching music to older adults for the past 16 years through North Orange Continuing Education and also Rancho Santiago Community College Continuing Education. So that's a little bit about me. Now I'd like to learn a little bit about you. So please go to my orientation module, upload a picture, and post in the discussion a little bit about yourself. I look forward to singing with you this semester.